Hi, this is Alice Bull from scraphappy.org, and I'm here with Karen Hightower, and you're on the Gina K design team.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're going to do a demo of
The wreath builder.
the wreath builder. Okay.
It's a template that you put in your Misty. It comes in a 3 3/4 inch square or a 4 inch, and this is the 3 3/4 inch. So we have our paper cut to size, and then you take your stamp set, and you can use small images to create it. So I've got the leaf in there. So what you do is you ink it up, if you can get the ink open.
This is the Gina K premium dye ink that you're using.
Right, and this is Jelly Bean Green. And so we're just going to stamp it, and you turn it 1/8 of a turn. So it's now in the diamond orientation. And the Misty is so great for this. Gives you a tool to add to your Misty collection, and it makes the perfect wreath.
I am so glad I'm seeing this in person because I don't know.
And that's all you do.
And that's all you do.
And it's very therapeutic. Now you
and
can,
if you ever get one of the stamps like not quite right, so say you rotate it around
So like
and you didn't ink it up quite right,
you like that one. It's like, oh well, we'll just go back and re-ink it.
you re-ink it, you move on, it's
And you
all
move
done.
on.
Beautiful.
And you can, with this, you can put, I'll show you. Oops. We'll do it on the next round. That way it'll go real quick. I'll show you the little trick. Okay. It's the last ink on that one. Okay, so we're going to clean off this real quick.
And you're using the new Misty. This is like, what, Misty
Yes.
2.0?
Yes.
And it has some really cool new features. So I actually have a video that talks about the new features of this new Misty, and you can check it out in another video I'll link below.
Yes, I love this thing. I've been having so much fun with it. Okay, so I'm going to grab this little bitty flower, and we're
Okay.
going to put it, starting square orientation. I'll put it here.
And so this is how you lay it out when you're ready to go, right? Like you've just
Yeah.
got this little wreath builder template pushed down into the corner, held
Right.
with your magnet.
Right.
You've got your piece of paper stuck into the corners of the wreath builder.
Right, and then we'll go ahead and do this one. So you can get really creative and put 2 stamps on there.
Okay.
It will speed it up.
Stick the stamps. Make sure your paper's down.
And you go put it right back in the little
And they're just in the
template.
perfect spot because you literally laid them onto your paper.
Right, so you know where it's going to be. And I'm going to do that in purple and that in blue. Close it. And then you just go around and you do the same thing. Watch me get them backwards.
That would just add a lot of variety to it.
That's
It would look
right.
so pretty.
Okay.
Oh, I can see how this is going. Like, yeah,
And
that's
so
going to
you
be
just-
so beautiful.
And then you be sure and turn. And the thicker cardstock works really well on this so it don't slip up under the template.
Okay.
Of course, if you get ink on your fingers, then
Then you distress the edges.
that's right. That or bling. That's what bling was created for.
Oh, I know. What do they say? There are no mistakes in
That's right.
crafting, only opportunities to embellish.
That's right. And so you're going to go around 8 times.
Okay. And it just makes this beautiful
And
wreath.
you can add more to it, or you can do it as simple as you want, and then put a greeting in the center. And I'm not pressing down hard. I'm just closing the
Just
lid.
closing it up, getting it done.
Yeah.
What's that?
Thank you.
I'm like, I gotcha.
Thank you. See, I'm getting it all inky. I've got ink on my fingers. But hey, it's okay. I'll do stereo. I'm trying
And
to
so
do
if
it
people
quick.
are interested in getting the wreath builder, where do they go and where do they find this?
They can pick up the wreath builder at GinaKDesigns.com. I believe Simon Says Stamp carries them. couple places like that have
Okay,
them.
that sounds really good.
Okay.
And I'm assuming like they're reasonably priced so that
Yeah, it's not. I don't know the price, but I know
It's
they're less
reasonable.
than $10.
Okay,
I
yeah.
believe. Don't quote me.
They're just-
But this is the large one, and this is the small one.
Okay.
So, and I just keep it tucked under there so you don't lose it.
That was really quick, really easy, and really pretty.
Thank you. And you can add your greeting to the center. There's lots of videos on different ways to use the templates and stuff too.
And do you have videos or somewhere that people can find you online, Karen?
I do. I have. I'm on YouTube under Karen Hightower,
Okay.
and of course Instagram, Karen Hightower. I made it easy.
Perfect.
So
Thank you so much for this demo. This is Alice Bull from scraphappy.org.